Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to change your Instagram password using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Then go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now, click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click Settings and Privacy. So here you should see a security option, but if you don't have the security option here, I want you to click the Account Center. And here you can see the password and security. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you want to click Change Password. Choose the account that you want to change the password. And here you want to type the current password, the new password, and retype the new password. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Change Password. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.